Hello guys, it's Chris. I thought I'd make this video, me showing you guys Neptunia Friends App. So as you guys may see, I do use them as my alarm clock. All 7 of them. So while I'm using them as my alarm clock, I do increase the love of gauge. So yeah. While increasing the gauge, I do get more of the present, you do get each of these. Kind of funny you can interact like this, watch. You know, I decided to buy multiple iPhones because I don't want to keep on switching each and every time. Because if I do, it will reset the level of gauge. But actually, it's kind of getting close. Once I get to the full top, I'll do head pats, each and every one of them. That's some saving. But unfortunately for these characters, I don't think you can. But you see menu. Oh, someone's calling me. Hold on. Okay, I'm back, guys. To be honest, I kind of forgot what I was saying earlier. Maybe I was talking about these characters. Hold on, let me exit out here. Okay. So as you may see, the difference. Menu. Okay. See if you have these characters. So store and Chara. Yeah, these characters, right? If you have these two, you won't be able to have these. Bottom versions. Or actually, oh yeah, so these ones you're not gonna have, for these two characters, fortunately. But you can increase a little bit of the gauge, but I don't know what it really does, though. To be honest, I just basically use them for extra wake up call, for the fun of it though. Now these ones are the main ones. Increase your love gauge, and then you do head pats each and every one of them, which I am gonna do that for the video. And at the same time, while I'm using the alarm clocks, I get more of these cakes. It's kind of unfortunate that you won't be able to install Neptunia Friends app anymore. I don't know why I got removed off from the App Store. So for sure, guys, on my main phone right here. Let me get to it first. So this is my main phone right here. Okay, if I go to App Store and then I type in Neptunia, it doesn't show, unfortunately. So see, months ago it did show. It did show, and at the time you can purchase stuff from the Neptunia Friends app. Fortunately, I wasn't able to purchase all of them. I was about to, but like I said earlier, I got removed. So every time when you try to go to store in Chara, it's always going to say fail to retrieve product information. And if I'm trying to do these by outfit, it's not going to work. Hopefully one of these days it'll come back, so that way I can think about purchasing all of them. I mean, I do support Neptunia games, and I personally love Neptunia a lot. I mean, heck, I spent a lot of money on DLC packs on Neptunia PS3 games, original Neptunia PS3 game, Neptunia MK2, and Neptunia Victory. All DLCs, all purchased. And I just need to purchase all the avatars. Well, I did purchase 2 avatars from the original Neptunia PS3 game. I believe it was Neptune and Noir. Yeah, but I do plan on getting all of them though. For the fun. But at least I was able to purchase some parts. These ones at least. Okay, I'm back again. So I got disturbed twice, but I think I'm good for now. For sure. So at least I got these ones like purchased though. But I just wish I was able to like purchase all of them. Would have been nice though. Yeah, kind of fortunate that it says failed to retrieve product information. Yeah, I know the app is like many years old. And I don't know if Idea Factory is like planning on updating to the newer version. Maybe one of these days, you never know. Anything can happen. So, yeah. Just go to these and show you guys comparisons. Which one's like purchased? Okay. But at least for Purple Heart, I was able to purchase like, okay, purchase these sets before like before it was like non-purchasable. Yeah, so purchase these. Let me go check out like Storage Chakra right here. Such comparison. I think I was about to like purchase these though, but like too late. So whenever if Idea Factory ever release like updated version, or if it does come back to the App Store out of nowhere and things can be purchasable again, then that's when I'll be like spending. But you know, for those of you guys that did spend before like they're like not working, you can also like do let me show you. Just make it a better example. If you do restore, that means that you can like get all the ones that you've purchased, have them restored. If you try to do it on another like iPhone, for example, then it'll be like connected when you do restore. Like for example, I did restore, purchase like each of them separately on a different phone, and then restore. I got all of them. So there's that. So yeah, use some as my alarm clocks for fun. So that'll be for this video. Till then, thank you guys for watching. See you guys and peace out.